Welcome to the stream of knowledge.
As you age, your body undergoes many changes that can affect your health and well-being. From changes in metabolism to declining hormone levels. It can be challenging to maintain the same vitality and energy you had in your youth. However, a proper diet can slow aging and support our overall health. In this video, we'll explore the top foods you should be eating after 40 that have anti-aging benefits. From reducing inflammation to boosting brain function, these foods will help you stay youthful and energetic for years to come. So sit back, unwind, and get ready to learn about the best foods to add to your diet for a more vibrant you. Number 1. Apples. They are the silent superheroes in the war on aging. Who would have thought that this humble fruit packs such a punch? Yet, surprisingly, many people still overlook the power of this simple fruit. Apples are a powerhouse of heart-healthy fiber, with one medium-sized apple containing about 4 to 5 grams, making it a powerful ally in the fight against aging. Studies have shown that apples are a rich source of antioxidants such as vitamin C and flavonoids, promoting overall health and longevity. The fiber found in apples helps lower total and LDL cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes and improve digestive health. So, the next time you're searching for an anti-aging snack, grab an apple. This simple and tasty option is an easy way to promote your health and fend off the signs of aging. Number 2. Ginger. Who knew you could find the secret to staying young and healthy in the spice cabinet? Ginger is loaded with bioactive compounds that contain antioxidants. Antioxidants are excellent because they help protect your body from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a significant contributor to aging and the development of degenerative diseases. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, fight the signs of aging, or just want to add some flavor to your meals, go ahead and add some more ginger to your diet. Your body will thank you. Number 3. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, and goji berries are considered a superfood for those in their golden years. They are high in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidant flavonoids. Fiber helps keep our digestive system healthy, can help with weight management, and may lower the risk of developing certain diseases. So, incorporating these delicious berries into your diet can significantly support your health as you age. Berries are great for your brain. The antioxidants in berries can help boost your motor skills and memory. That's why they're a must-have in the Mind diet, which focuses on promoting cognitive health. Berries are more than delicious. They're also packed with minerals like manganese that support the immune system and help maintain skin, eye, and heart health. There are many ways to incorporate berries into your diet. Try a handful as a snack, add them to your cereal, make a smoothie, or top your favorite yogurt with berries for a healthy breakfast. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach is packed with essential nutrients that promote overall health, especially as you age. For starters, it's loaded with calcium, which is a must for maintaining strong bones. Plus, it's high in fiber, which not only helps digestion but improves muscle function. Plus, eating these veggies regularly can lower the risk of heart disease by as much as 26%. And the high levels of antioxidants found in these greens may also help reduce your risk of developing dementia. Number 5. Turmeric. This spice is a game changer and is taking the world by storm. With its roots in traditional Indian medicine, this yellow wonder has been used for thousands of years. Its powerful benefits are finally getting the recognition they deserve, making turmeric a must-have in your healthy diet. Turmeric, specifically its active component curcumin, has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Some research shows it may help reduce the symptoms of arthritis, a common issue for the elderly. Turmeric also has the potential to fight cancer. Additionally, turmeric can boost the immune system. As we age, our bodies become less effective at fighting off viruses, bacteria, and infections, so incorporating turmeric into your diet can help boost your immunity and keep you healthy. However, it is essential to note that the body does not absorb turmeric well, so to make it more bioavailable, it should be cooked and taken with a healthy fat and the compound piperine pepper. Number 6. Nuts and seeds. This snack is super satisfying. Just imagine, a tiny handful of these little powerhouses can give you an energy boost and keep you full. While nuts can be a nutritious snack, they can be high in calories and contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. So, how many nuts should you consume? The appropriate amount can vary per person depending on their daily calorie needs, dietary goals, and overall health. But roughly 1 ounce of nuts a day is all you need. Nuts are a good source of fiber, protein, healthy fats, and vitamins and minerals. Number 7. Green tea. Green tea has been dubbed the elixir of youth, and for a good reason. With its powerful antioxidants, green tea can turn back the clock on aging, both inside and out. And it's not just your skin that will benefit from the antioxidant power of green tea, it can also help to ward off autoimmune diseases, type 2 diabetes, and heart-related issues. The optimal amount of green tea to drink for maximum health benefits is not clearly defined and may vary depending on many factors. Although consuming 3 to 4 cups daily is generally considered okay, consuming lower amounts of green tea may be sufficient to provide you with health benefits. Number 8. Cottage cheese. Talk about a nutritious food with a variety of health benefits. Cottage cheese is a good source of calcium, vitamin D, and whey protein, which are crucial for overall health. As we age, our bones naturally lose density, but by incorporating cottage cheese into your diet, you're making a wise investment in your bone health. It's important to note that while these foods can be a healthy addition to your diet and exhibit anti-aging benefits, they should not be relied on as the sole means of preventing aging or degenerative diseases. A balanced and varied diet that includes fruits and vegetables, regular physical activity, and a healthy lifestyle is the best way to support overall health and well-being. Do you want to discover more secrets to a long, healthy life? Feed your body with the good stuff and give it the love and care it deserves. Don't miss out on this chance to uncover the mysteries of a healthy life by clicking on our other videos. Which foods do you eat every day to prevent aging? Let us know in the comments below. Do you enjoy my videos? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these. Turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Thanks for watching.